Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS virtual camera on Discord. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Simply have your Discord open and at the same time your OBS. Now from here in the OBS, all you have to do is to make a new source, make a new source property, and then from here you're going to click on Start Virtual Camera. Once you click on Start Virtual Camera, you're going to minimize your OBS. Then in your Discord right here, you're going to click on User Settings. From the User Settings, you're going to scroll down on the left side until you see the voice and video under Experience. Once you click on that, you're going to scroll all the way down as well until you see the camera. Then you can see the camera source button right here, so you can click it and then simply you can choose OBS Virtual Camera. In case you don't find it right here, then simply go to your search bar, search for OBS Studio, right click on it, go to open file location, do it one more time, and then from here going to go back. Once you see the OBS Studio, go to data, go to OBS plugins, and then from here going to find the one that says win-d show. Then from here you can see a virtual cam install, right click on it and then run it as administrator and then try again on Discord and you should find it. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.